To receive crypto through Binance Pay, you need to share one of your IDs or send a QR code. On the main page of Binance Pay, go to the Receive section. Here you can easily switch between send and receive pages. Let's take a closer look. You can save this QR code as a picture, and payer will be able to specify the crypto, amount and node by himself. Or you can specify any of these. Choose crypto, quick search as necessary, optionally write an amount and node, annual subscription for example. Click confirm. After that you can save this QR code to use these settings in the future. Or you can clear all these settings. In the app everything is pretty the same. Go to the receive screen. You can easily switch between send and receive screens as well. Save QR code directly to the photo album of your mobile phone. Or make a custom one and define crypto, amount and a node. And you can clear all these settings. Here's a small bonus for you. You can also get to the receive screen by long press on Binance App icon. If you don't have a Binance account, register it by this QR code or by referral link in the description. Thank you for support.